Hello friends, this is Snoopy. Today I am in front of Tokyo Station. This is Marunouchi, Japan's most famous business district. I'll show you London and New York in this district. Okay, let's go. Tokyo Station opened in 1914 and is located near the Imperial Palace. In the Edo period, the Imperial Palace was the Edo Castle, the residence of Shogun. The Edo Castle was surrounded by the row of daimyo residences. However, the buildings collapsed during the Great Earthquake of 1855, followed by the end of the Edo period. In the Meiji period, the daimyo was dismantled and the Marunouchi area lost its significance. The Marunouchi area was then lined with military sites and government offices. This area was thought to have no use. However, when the urbanization plan was decided, the Mitsubishi Group bought it from the government, almost as if it had been forced upon them. Development of this area began after the completion of the development of the southern part of the area. Huge American-style office buildings of steel-framed reinforced concrete were built as construction methods that shortened construction times for rising in the USA. Since then, the area came to be known as Icho, New York, or New York Town. Many tourists are walking around. It's a perfect day for taking a walk. There are many stations near Tokyo Station. All stations are accessible on foot. This is not a river, but the inner moat of the Imperial Palace or former Edo Castle. Across the inner moat is the Kyoto Gaien National Park. Edo Castle was surrounded by outer and inner moats. The outer moat is much further out. Newbies in Tokyo often mistake it for a river. I'm now heading to Icho, London, the first area to be developed in Marunouchi. The building on the left is the Meiji Seimeikan, the Meiji Yasuda Life Insurance Company's headquarters. It opened in March 1934 as the culmination of classical office building architecture. It survived the bombing of Tokyo during World War II, but was taken over by the American military after the war. It was returned to the government of Japan in 1956. In 1997, it became Japan's first building to be registered as a national important cultural property, as an example of Showa period architecture. This is Marunouchi Nakadori Avenue, the main street of the Marunouchi area. Naka means something like center or middle in Japanese. So, Nakadori could be translated as Central Avenue. This area is also known as Mitsubishi Village, as the buildings of Mitsubishi Group line Nakadori Avenue. This is the Mitsubishi Ichigokan, the first office building in Japan. It was completed in 1894 by British architect Josiah Condor and has now been renovated into a museum. Josiah Condor was hired by the Meiji Japanese government as professor of architecture for the Imperial College of Engineering and became an architect of Japan's public works. This is the inside of Tokyo Station. Tokyo Station is the work of Kingo Tatsuno, a pupil of Kondo, who designed the Mitsubishi Ichigokan. Kondo educated young architects such as Tatsuno, earning him the nickname Father of Japanese Modern Architecture. Thanks for watching. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね。